Most people get this wrong when they try to earn on Cash Giraffe. They jump into random games, waste hours, and then wonder why their earnings feel so slow. Here's the truth, no one tells you. It's not about playing more games. It's about playing the right games in the right way. Quick promise. In this video, you'll learn which types of Cash Giraffe games actually help you earn faster in 2026, how to avoid low-reward traps, and how to maximize your time so you're not just tapping aimlessly for pennies. Let's get straight into it. Cash Giraffe works by rewarding you for installing and playing partner games. But here's the problem. Not all games pay the same, and not all time spent is equal. For example, someone like Jake might spend 40 minutes on a casual puzzle game, and earn less than someone who spends 15 minutes on a high-reward strategy game. So the first key is simple. Focus on new user games. These usually give the highest reward rates in the beginning, because apps want engagement. When you see a fresh game offer, that is often your fastest earning window. Now here's where it gets interesting. Idle games and simple tap games usually look easy, but they often have low payout efficiency after the first few minutes. So instead of staying too long, use them only for short earning bursts. The second strategy is timing. Cash Giraffe rewards often depend on session activity. That means shorter, consistent sessions beat long, exhausting ones. Think of it like this. John plays 3 15-minute sessions instead of 1 long hour. John usually earns more because he resets engagement cycles. But here's the mistake most users make. They stick to one game too long, thinking it will eventually pay more. It won't. Most rewards are front-loaded. Now let's talk about game selection mindset. Choose games with clear objectives like reaching levels, completing missions, or unlocking stages. These track progress better and often trigger more consistent rewards. In a minute, here's the simplest trick to boost your efficiency even more. Always check if a game has active bonus events inside the app. These limited time boosts can double or even increase rewards without extra effort. So to wrap it up, the fastest way to earn in Cash Giraffe in 2026 is simple. Pick new games first, avoid overplaying low reward ones, use short sessions, and always watch for bonus events. If you follow this structure instead of randomly tapping around, your time becomes far more efficient. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand how to earn faster, hit like, comment your experience, and subscribe for more clear and practical earning app guides.